sees something. He's all puffy underneath his jacket. He's growling. What do you see? He says, get out of my face. What do you see over there? For a little context, we've been walking in the snow. Like 8 or 10 inches, 10 inches, we're calling it. And no one's been out here yet. It's untouched. And there's tracks coming out through the hedgerows. That's something. Followed this ridgeline and along the way would stop and hunt. Could be bobcat, could be coyote. Generally, if it's only one, I find it to be a bobcat. Coyotes travel in packs of like 6 or 7. So fun coming out and doing a little nature investigation work. And for those times where you're like, are there big spooky animals out here? You have your early warning system. He's like, we can go. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.